In this video, I'm going to compare blue Outemu switches with blue Cherry MX switches. Here on the Havit RGB mechanical keyboard, we have the Outemu Blue Switches. And on the desk keyboard for professional, we have the Cherry MX Blue Switches. For the keycaps, these white ones are WASD Customs ABS plastic with blue O-rings installed. So we got 3 of them here. All of these white ones on the DOS keyboard have O-rings, and then the black ones do not have O-rings. They're just the standard ones that came with the Havit mechanical keyboard. So first let's compare without the O-rings. This is the Outemu Blue Switches. And now the Cherry MX Blue Switches. And now with the O-rings. And with the O-rings. And without the O-rings again.